This is Luke from Total Parts Pro. Today we have a 2019 Hyundai Tucson, stock number 6664. This ran from the 6th 2015 to the current shape. It has a G4NC 2 litre 4-cylinder petrol engine backed by 6-speed automatic transmission. This is a G4NC 2 litre 4-cylinder petrol engine. Left front 18-inch factory mega tyre, left hand door mirror, left front door, one slight fold in the front, left rear door no dents, left rear 18-inch factory mega tyre, left hand tail light, rear tailgate one dent, right hand tail light, right rear 18-inch factory mega tyre, right rear door no dents, right front door one dent, right hand door mirror, right hand headlight, right front 18-inch factory mega tyre, right front door card, right front master switch, centre console lid, automatic gear shifter, heater AC controls, interior mirror, front courtesy light, sunglass holder, left front sun visor, right front sun visor, factory 3-spoke leather steering wheel, instrument cluster,